Hello everyone. Now we demonstrate how to use Bloomden CeramStar Glaze stain kit for 3D Pro zirconia bridge case. This kind of glaze kit is suitable for all types of ceramic restorations like zirconia, porcelain, etc. It makes zirconia higher transparency across the entire crown while mixing with other shades to adjust their chroma. CeramStar Glaze stain kit allows us to add high value, low value and different color characteristics without them becoming muddy. So we can do all with one application. And it has the tendency not to blotch. If you use a stain and make a stain too saturated, it's gonna blotch. As you apply this, what you see on that surface is what you see come out of the furnace. That is really nice for predictability. Because a lot of stains become more saturated, while this one is pretty much what you see is what you get. You can also add more chroma and gradation effect without blotchy, because it's a paste of glaze stain kit. Now let's check the case. First of all, after observation, we need to remove the dirt from this bridge case. The bottom side is cervical. We need to make darker color glazing at cervical. Apparently bottom shade is darker. We take shade of glaze on this bridge. As this is an A2 shade bridge, and we can compare the bridge shade with Vita Classic. If we feel the shade is no good, we can choose some red shade glaze to be a mixed shade chroma.